we discuss about the protection method. Protection method. How can protect the self, sheet, and workbook in the action? You can see here data. I want to protect this data. Nobody can change this data. So go to the sheet name, right click here and protect sheet, and you have apply here form password, and also press the OK, and now give the confirm password. But remember, your Microsoft Office can't recover your password. If forget and lost the password, it cannot be recovered. So when you using the password, you have entered the your remember password. Okay, you have to type
Okay.
the which password have remembered, then you have typed. Okay,
Okay.
so press the OK. You can see here we have not typed anything, not change anything in the whole sheets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to change, so need to unprotect. Click the unprotect, give the password, and if you enter the wrong password, give this message.
Mm-hmm.
So we have entered the password and OK. Now I have typed here. So when we have used the protect sheet, you can see here some permissions here.
Mm-hmm.
By default, two permissions here. First, select lock cell and select unlock cell. It means selections. After the protections, we have select the data. But you have
Mm-hmm.
need to more allowance, just like we after the protections, user can use the format cell, insert, delete row, use auto filter, anything, use pivot chart. So you have just click here. I have click here the format cell. It means after the protections, people can use the format cell. So just press the OK. I have I have not entered the password, but when you have used the protect sheet, you have used the password. Okay. Now I can't change anything, but I do format. In format, it means I have applied the color, apply the border, like that. Not all border. So we have right click the format cell, and format cell will be work here. Okay. Now second option is I want to remove copy. After the protections, user can't change anything but copy the data. But problem is that copy is not a part of Excel. Copy is function of the Windows, and you have can't remove the copy, can't disable
Mm-hmm.
the copy options.
Okay.
But we have think the another way. For the copy, your data need to selection, and selection is part of Excel.
Mm-hmm.
And in the protect sheet, we have unselect this option. This is the lock cell and this is the unlock cell. Okay. By default, we have
Mm-hmm.
selected the select lock cell and select unlock cell. And we have removed these features, apply the password here, confirm the password and press the OK. Now we can't click anywhere in the data. And can't click, it means can't select.
Okay.
Cannot be select, cannot be any edit.
Okay.
So we have not copy, not able to copy this data. Now we have discussed this, some features, some area the out of the protection area. So I want to apply the protections rest of the yellow area. and yellow area can be editable. So we have entered anything here, but can't enter here. Right, sir? How
Okay.
can do it? So first we have unprotect the seat. We have forgotten the password. So when you have copy, sorry, when you have protect the seat, you can see here protect worksheet and log content of log cell. What is the log cell? What is the unlock cell? Because you will also see here log cell and log cell. So when you have right click and go to the format cell and go to the protections, this is the lock. We shall have a lock. Lock is checked. It means the locked cell. We have unchecked. It
Mhm.
means unlocked cell. So when you have locked, it means password will be applicable on this cell. When you have unchecked this, it means password is not applicable on this sheet. Okay. So we have select the our colored area, right click, format cell, and click here lock cell. No, sorry, a lock cell by default click. We have unclick the lock cell and then
Mhm.
OK. And you have see here your protection is not applicable. So need to protect your sheet. So when you have protect your sheet, then your lock and lock will be applicable. Give the password, confirm
Mhm.
the password, and OK.
Mhm.
Okay. So now I
Yeah.
can't type anything the rest of yellow area, but in the yellow area we have type here. Now we have same thing but opposite. So I want to type anything anywhere, but I can't type here the red area. How can do
Okay.
it? First we have unprotect. Now we have select the all seat. Yeah, we have clicked the between 1 and a this rectangle, select the all seat, complete seat, and go to the format cell, and we have unchecked the lock cell. We have unchecked the lock cell. Then press
Okay.
OK. Now we have applied the password. We have typed anywhere, but I can't. I want to not be type here. So that time we have select and right click, format cell, protection, locked, and OK. Now we have applied the a password in set, give the password, confirm the password, and OK. Now we have cannot be typed here because this area is locked, but we have give the enter the data anywhere rest of this color area. Okay, Mr. Christopher, any problem?
Okay. Okay.
But question is, what is the use of these features in the office?
Mhm.
I give the two examples. We have this data. You can see here. I have typed the data here, just like Uday 78 65, and we have just pressed the tab. My cursor will be jump to here to June. So we have
Okay.
can't give the cursor on D, E, F, G because this is the calculated sale. My cursor will be jumped MRP to June. Okay.
Okay.
How can do it? First we have unprotect, and now we have select the complete sheet and right click, format cell, and we have unlock. Okay. And you can see here in the amount, commissions, GST, and total, we have applied the formula. So no need to type here. So no need to select here also.
Okay.
So have we have select the ADFG column, right click, format cell and apply locked here and press OK.
Mhm.
Now we have applied the protect sheet, but one changing here. We cannot select lock cell. Okay.
Oh,
By default, this is the selected, so we have unchecked this. Need to uncheck
mhm.
this. So we have disabled the permission of select lock cell. What is the lock cell? Lock cell is the
Format.
DEFG. Okay.
Mhm.
So after the applying password, people can't select the cannot select the DEFG, and we have
Okay.
applied the password, confirm the password, and okay. So now you can see we have not selected here. So sometime we need to data entry in your sheet, and in the your sheet some column will be editable, some column apply the formula. So that time this is very useful if we have select the cursor only for which area we want to enter value. Like that
Mhm.
example 2, you can see we have applied the one format, and when you have type here just like puja and we have placed the tab, my cursor will be go to the this column, and then the last name, then error. You can see here this is not proper way.
Correct.
So that time we have select the cells using the using the control key. Press the control key and click your cell, which cell you want to enter the data, and right click format cell, and we have unchecked the lock. The by default checked, so we have unchecked the lock and
Mhm.
OK, and apply the password with protect sheet. And remember, we have not select the select lock cell because rest of the this selected area have a locked cell. So we have disabled the select lock cell permissions, but we have keep the permission select unlocked cell. So what is the unlocked cell? Unlocked cell is name, first name, last name, email, and password and confirm password. This is selected cells. But problem is that in my PC, in my this form have a one buttons. So we have apply the edit object. Edit
Okay.
object. So this is the important because if you have not give this permission, then people can't click the buttons and
Okay.
apply the password. Okay, the password and okay. Now, now you can see I have typed here name Pooja and press the tab. My tab will be jump automatically first to last.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then sing. Press the enter. My cursor jump to name to email.
Okay.
Now press the enter. My cursor jump also email to password. Okay. And we also click here button. Now I want to hide my formula. If people can't see the formula, you can see here. See here. See we have see the number in the formula bar,
Mhm.
but we can't see the formula amount, commission, GST, and total formula in the formula bar. How can? The
Okay.
first we need to unprotect, and we have select amount, commission, GST, and total column. Which column have a apply formula? Then go to format cell, and it is the by default unchecked. So check the hidden. Check the hidden. Now we have protect sheet and just okay. No need to change anything. Okay. So you can see our formula is disabled from the formula bar.
Okay.
Now we need to apply the password in multiple password in the same sheet. Just like we have two area, Mr. A area, Mr. B area. I want to give the separate password to Mr. A and Mr. B. So Mr. B enter the on password and enter the data only for on area. And also we cannot change the Mr. A area. Mr. A cannot change the B area without entering the password. The password is different. So though at
Okay.
that time, go to the review tab. In the review tab, have a allow edit range. Allow edit range. So that time we have clicked the new, give the name and select your range. We have select the range and give the password. And okay, give the confirm password. Like in Microsoft here clear say, if you lost and forget the password, it cannot be recovered.
Mhm.
And okay, and new Mr. B to the referred cell, select the range area and apply the another password here and give the confirm password and okay, apply, then okay. But now we have the type everywhere. This allow edit range will be active when you have applied the protect sheet. So we have protect sheet and we have applied the password with the confirm password. Now we have can't change this to color area. And when you try to change this color area, need to password. We have typed the
Mhm.
password. Now I have entered anything changing here, entered data here, tilt reopen file. When you have reopened the file, ask the again file, again password. And now we have tried to change Mr. B and ask the Mr. B password. Here is enter the Mr. A password. So give the error. This password is not correct. Okay. So if you try to type the Mr. B area, so need to Mr. B password. Okay.
Okay.
So you have applied the many password, not a two, three, four, five, six, many different password for different area in the X.
Okay.
It is clear?
This is protect range.
Yeah, this is the we have protect the range. Hey, nee, protect the
Yeah.
range here. Uh, yeah, this is the protect range. We have
Okay.
protect one particular range.
Mhm.
So I have cannot type here, but we have type anything the rest of the year. Okay,
Okay.
this is the protect range, and this is the
Mhm.
unprotect one particular range. And this
Oh.
example is we have a protect the multiple range with multiple password in the one seat.
Okay.
Okay, we have protect the multiple range in multiple password in one range. That called allow edit range.
This allow edit range. While selecting protect sheet, any setting needs to be done.
Allow edit. We have allow the range and give the different password, and after that finally we have applied the protect sheet. Then your allow edit range will be active.
Oh, allow edit is active, right?
Yeah, right. Protect sheet is the
Okay.
required every example.
Mm. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Just like imagine you have one file and with your file, many people work. Just like
Mm.
if suppose that you have do in the collection field, cash collection, that's like loan collections. So one team is the calling team do the call and take the promise to pay date. Okay. Second, your collection team collection team get the customer time and collect the cash, and your cash collection team will be collect the cash from the Philistine team and deposit the bank. So we have three teams, and three teams work in the one your dump file, data file.
Okay.
So that time, how can protect your data? Suppose that your telecalling team take the one promised date, promised date from customer is 2nd March. But Philips Kitty checking 2nd March have a many collection, many date and many collections, collection for customers. So directly contact your customer and change the date if we have not free today. So tomorrow and after tomorrow we have to come here and collect your cash. But problem is that this work for telecalling team. The telecalling team call the customer and take the time, and your field
Okay.
executive call the customer and take the another time. So your field executive,
Mhm.
your telecom team not have any information. So both of the
Mhm.
data is unmatched. Telecom team say ki we have 11 customer to that pay, and field executive team say they only for 10 because one is changed. So that time the confusion. So that time we have used these features. We have protect the telecalling team status column and also field schedule status column.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Mhm.
I want to apply the opening password. The people can't open the file without cannot be open the file without using the password. So we have two ways. First, when we have create the file and save as the file, that time we have tools here. In the tools, go to the general option and we have type password to open and password to modify. Okay. So one password to open the file, and if you have the modify password, then open the file in the edit mode. If you not the password, then you have open the file in the read only. But this feature need to save your file, save as your file. But sometimes we have already cleared the file and this file linked to another file. So I unable to save as my files because when you have save as my file, need to enter the different name and different location. Okay. So
Mhm.
that time we go to the info and protect workbook, click here, and second option is encrypt with password. So here is the type the open file opening password. Only for file opening password, and your file is open with this password. If you have password, then open. If you not have password, this is not open. Okay? It's clear?
Okay. Got it.
Now do list. So I give the three questions. First, save file and apply the open password and write password. Apply the password without the save as file and hide the one seat and ensure nobody unhide. So not in hide, unhide. So this is a spelling mistake.
Okay.
Unhide.
Okay. So
Okay?
first question. First question.
Yeah. For first question is he save as and apply the open and write password. Second questions
Okay.
apply the open password without save as file.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
And third question, hide the one seed and ensure nobody can unhide.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
So I have saved this file and sent to you. And please do the questions and send to me.
Okay. So what
Okay?
is the password for protect?
Pass one and two. One, two, and one, two. Only for three password we have used.
Okay. Okay.